Eugene Delaroc was a renowned French painter of the 19th century, widely regarded as one of the greatest romantic artists. Born on April 26, 1798 in Paris, Deleroc's artistic talent was evident from an early age. His passion for art led him to become one of the leading figures of the French Romantic movement. Delaroche received his formal education at the Lycée Louis Le Grand in Paris, where he studied classical literature and languages. However, he soon realized that his true calling was in the realm of visual art. In 1815, at the age of 17, he began his training under the Nicolaisical painter Pierre Guérin, who had a profound influence on his early works. In the early stage of his career, Delaroche drew inspiration from historical and literary themes, often depicting scenes from mythology, literature, and the Bible. His passion for the dramatic and the exotic, coupled with his mastery of color and brushwork, set him apart from his contemporaries. Delaroche's work executed a scene of passion, emotion, and vitality which became hallmarks of his style. One of the Delaroche's most famous works, the Mosquer at Choice, painted in 1824, depicted the Greek struggle for independence from the Ottoman Empire. The painting's vivid portrayal of the horrors of war and suffering of the Greek people resonated deeply with audience and established Delaroche as a political artist. Delaroche's fascination with the exotic led him to travel extensively, visiting North Africa, Spain, and the Middle East. These journeys profoundly influenced his artistic vision and introduced him to new subjects and motifs. The vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and rich cultural tradition of these regions found their way into his later works. Another significant milestone in Delaroche's career was in commission to decorate the walls of the Plain Bourbon in Paris. The resulting masterpiece, Liberty Leading the People, painted in 1830, is an allegorical representation of the July Revolution. This iconic painting, with his powerful symbolism and dynamic composition, has come to symbolize the spirit of revolution and liberty. Throughout his life, Delaroche experimented with different artistic techniques and mediums. He have a prolific draftsman, producing numerous sketches and studies capturing the essence of his subjects with remarkable skill and expressive. He also explored the possibilities of lithography, a printmaking techniques that allow for the mass reproduction of his E- Eugene Delacroix continued to paint and create until the death on August 13, 1863 in Paris.